Cup holders, something that's missing from the tailgate. Okay, it's my junk. So I got a rough country mat right there. They advertise it as a 1/4 of an inch or 3/8 of an inch thick, but it's not. It's a lot less, maybe 3/16 if you're really pushing it. Right there it looks like, you know, maybe 1/4 inch, but it's not. It's a nice mat though, super sticky. But here is today's project. So like I said, it's a genuine Ford accessory. Now, when you do buy your accessories from Ford, one of the things that you get, which is really nice, is they will warranty it for as long as you have your warranty on your vehicle. So in my case, since my truck is only a few weeks old, it's going to have about a 3-year warranty on this. So I got this to protect my tailgate. Cup holders, something that's missing from the tailgate. I got that to protect the bed, and I don't have anything to protect the sides. In 2019, they gave you 6 cargo hooks. In 2020, they pinched some pennies. So you've got one in this corner, you have one in that corner, and over here, all you have is the mounting holes. And Ford is pretty proud of those brackets. They charge almost $50 for a pair of those brackets, and they come with the hardware. But I wish they would have just included them like they did on the 2019. So this is today's project right here, and comes with instructions. There's actually some hardware in there, not sure what. There we go. Looks like some screws and washers. Just goes right there. So as a YouTuber, you frequently watch other YouTubers and everybody learns from each other. One of the things that I've seen, it's these unboxings, and I haven't done a lot of those. I've done a few product reviews, but it's kind of a crack up because you see these people that open up, you know, packages, and they whip out these Leatherman tools and, you know, fancy knives, and it's just kind of overkill. All you really need is a pair of scissors. Yeah. It's a really easy install, but I'm going to go through it anyway. Genuine Ford. Comes with the tailgate protector, some little washers, and the screws. A T20 is what they tell you. Oh, they've got a little torque wrench there. Page 2. And you just basically use these, screw them in with a T20, and then it says you tighten them up to 2.5 Newton meters. Sorry, I don't have a torque wrench that goes that low. Harbor Freight sells these, and what they are is 1/4 inch drive, so you can put this on your impact gun, and then it allows you to use either 1/4 inch sockets, 3/8 or 1/2 inch. They're awesome, and I'd recommend that you get one. So I'm going to use the impact driver to remove the screws. Here we go, a T20 Torx screwdriver, and that's to do the final tightening. This tailgate is not magnetic, and that's because it's aluminum. So what you have to do is find a piece of steel, and then you can just mount your magnetic tray there. So this piece is supposed to go through here like that, but and it's rather deep, and you'll see that it's deep, but that's because this is indented. So you put that on there like that. This is recessed, and that screw will not go in the recess, so you are forced to use the new screws. 8 screws. Cup holders, something that's missing from the tailgate. So basically you align it, get it relatively even on both sides, and tighten it up. Finally, the 8th screw. Oh, and by the way, it's not necessary to bolt this thing on like a cylinder head. But hey, what the heck? And there you have it. So let's see how this baby closes. Well, almost made a mistake there. Check that out. Boom. A little pricey, 61 and change plus tax. But you know what? It's a new truck, so now's the time to put the money in it. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of How to Heaven. Keep watching, subscribe, and catch you later. And there you have it, people. Tailgate protector. And by the way, it's not necessary to bolt this thing on like a cylinder head. Boom. But hey, what the heck? Messed that up.